So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today. Many of you are already familiar with Vipin Malhotra, right? So, Vipin is here. And today he is not here as talking about his disease reversal. Vipin is here talking about as a nutritionist and how has his journey been and how much money he has made and how many patients he has helped recovering from the diseases. So, Vipin, first of all, congratulations in coming Diamond Hall of Fame. And this time about, you sharing about your earning. So, I'll start from Vipin. But before coming to Vipin, we have the angel coach, Jyoti Chaudhary. So Jyoti Chaudhary was assigned to Vipin. For example, if he has any diet related problems or any problem related to coaching. So Jyoti Chaudhary, the HOD of Go Nature, was assigned to Vipin. So I'll start from Vipin and then I'll come to the angel coach Jyoti. So Vipin, I would like to know how has been your journey in Diamond? Just a second. So yeah, Vipin, over to you. How has been your journey in Diamond? कैसी journey रही आपकी?
Sir, first of all, thank you so much to Jyoti ma'am, to Go Nature. It's always a pleasure when we interact and when we are here. Uh, I can't express. This is not a feeling. This is something beyond feelings. To be with Go Nature, what I am trying to get from Go Nature, what I have been getting, is something out of the world, and this is what I was made for. Actually,
Hmm.
I have found the purpose of my life, and I'm actually enjoying it in real
Amazing.
sense.
So when I talk about, Diamond membership, you have a very great experience as a gold member, Diamond member. So tell us something about the coaches we have assigned you, because it was a long journey understanding how to make diet plans, how to diagnose a disease, and also how to make sales. So a coach was assigned to you as Jyoti Chaudhary. So how has your journey been with Jyoti?
Sir, it is so amazing that with the kind of knowledge and expertise Jyoti ma'am is having, how can she still be so grounded, humble, and compassionate being all the time, available all the time, as and when required? The only kind of nutritionist I would want to become is like her only.
Wow.
What else can I say? And that's a
Right.
fact.
Great. So, Vipin, I would also like to know that, there are a lot of places you learn something from some place and maybe you learn something about sales from other place. But आपकी healing, your healing and your earning was under one roof. तो उसमें आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Sir, when I came to Go Nature, before that I was also searching from some platforms,
Right.
and still I observe and study, keep studying other platforms also, just to keep myself updated and upgraded what is happening around with the kind of field I'm into. So, see, everybody's good, but somehow could not find that connect, the relevant and essential connect, which is required to sustain and keep elevating and upgrading yourself, being a healer and a nutritionist, to keep moving forward with a
Right.
kind of energy and enthusiasm as a prerequisite
Mm.
to be a successful nutritionist forever. You know,
Amazing.
a soul descends, I would say, a soul descends on this planet Earth, wrapped in a body called physical being.
Mm.
It all begins here, but should not end the way it should not. Entire
True.
life, when people ignore the well-being of this physical being, and then will try to find the easy way, like
Mm.
medicine, supplements, surgeries, etc. Lost,
Mm.
not knowing that they are making their exit very difficult and painful. And it should not be like that. Why I'm saying this is that the creator and nature works in this way only, healthy
Mm.
sustenance for all.
True.
And maybe the creator needs us, being a core nutritionist healer, to help
Mm.
share this responsibility with us.
Right.
The rightful money earned here is not only transactional but pure vibrational also.
Mm. Very
Otherwise,
true.
you see, the entire world is earning money by
Yes.
one way or other. So this kind of income generated brings along the very, the sense of fulfillment, enriched with happiness, love, respect, bliss, ecstasy. And
Mm.
that is, I'm so elated to say that is what Go Nature is all about.
Thank you. Thank you. So,
Thank
Vipin, I would like to know that, since you became the Diamond member and you started doing your calls, taking patients, how much income you have generated since you came to Diamond, and in how many months?
Vishal sir, do you think I should share whatever small earnings I have earned?
Yes.
All right. So in the last 6 months, around 6 months,
Hmm.
I have earned amazing confidence, knowledge,
Hmm.
and skill, which I can handle any kind of client.
Wow.
I'm earning trust and respect of my clients. I have earned a mindset to become an entrepreneur in this ever competitive world, to being a healer and a nutritionist. I have been earning smile and happiness, which probably I had lost some time back. I have earned great hope and faith, not only for myself, but I'm sharing with my clients also.
Wow.
Other than all these valuable assets I'm creating,
Hmm.
I could earn some little money of say 2.6 lakhs also.
2,60,000 in 6 months without
Yeah.
without any marketing cost.
No marketing, no nothing.
All profit. Wow.
Yes,
Very good.
Super. Credit goes to Jyoti madam, credit goes
yes.
to
Yes,
Vipin. The
of
way,
course.
you have amazing, amazing.
It
So when we
can
say,
could not
yeah,
have been without Jyoti ma'am, definitely.
yes. So Vipin, one more question. Yes, truly you said that the coach is, the backbone. When we say Nation of Nutritionists, the name of the diamond membership is Nation of Nutritionists. What sensation, vibration, or a feeling that word gives? Nation of Nutritionists.
So the name itself is a wow. It brings the kind of energy required.
Right. Right.
Uh, See, today mankind is getting increasingly trapped in diseases and bad health owing to medicines, fake foods, and profoundly deteriorating sense of wisdom.
Right.
So the very word nation of nutritionists reminds me of our responsibility towards individuals, society, and humanity,
Right.
and that there's an urgent and inherent need
Hmm.
to create a community of passionate, committed, and dedicated nutritionists who would be working towards creating a safe environment and future for the generation to come, with this planet to be healthy, happy, and loving place to live. With
Wow.
an equally profound sense of gratitude and humility, I feel very proud to be part of Nation of Nutritionists. Nothing less,
Amazing.
nothing more. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, Vipin. So, Vipin, I would like to ask one last question. When clients come to you, we don't call them patients, we call them clients or students. So, the first meeting you see them, they have some diseases, health issues, they're suffering in pain, and then you heal that person. And the person, what is that feeling when you heal someone who is suffering? What is that feeling? We'd like to know that.
It is so amazing to know this when people come to me or approach them or we interact. They come to me having a lot of hope. That's the biggest thing. Without even talking first, I could
Mm.
generate with them a hope. They have a
Right.
hope. Yes, maybe I'm in the right place. See, the kind of vibrations I could emit when
Right.
facing them, it makes all the difference.
Right.
And it has roots. Where the
Mm.
roots are, Go Nature and my angel coach, Jyoti ma'am.
Yes.
Definitely. We are
Amazing.
connected. And
Yes.
those vibrations, before you start speaking, start talking to them, those vibrations, they get disconnected.
Yes.
Right? And then they also understand, I understand, yes, there is a solution probably. Yes, I'm at a probably right place.
Great. Great.
And it is difficult to explain these feelings because it is beyond money, beyond
Mm.
love, beyond respect, etc.
True.
But let me try in a different way. It's like somebody has lost his or her lifelong hard-earned money by
Hmm.
any means, but you help them regain back with foolproof security,
Hmm.
and that comes to their health also.
True.
Imagine how would that person look up to you like?
True.
You feel godly like to that person. This
Amazing.
is seventh heaven. This is how
True.
you feel when somebody says happily, "Oh God, I'm feeling so good, so
Yes.
happy, so healthy.
The
Thank you for
family,
being here with me."
the entire family atmosphere is changed. Everybody's happy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
truly.
These feelings you will keep on cherishing for your entire life, and maybe by the fag and years of your glorious life, you will have real and experience stories to narrate to the upcoming generations,
True.
being healers while leaving behind the immortal legacy after you.
True.
It is so very fulfilling. Thank you,
Amazing.
sir.
Thank you so much, Vipin, for the deep insights. I'll come to the angel coach, Jyoti Chaudhary. So, Jyoti, how has been your journey with Vipin? It feels like a school, it feels like a teacher back again, having so many students under you. So, you were a strict teacher, or what kind of teacher you were, and how was Vipin as a student?
And I think Vipin would be able to say better what kind of teacher I was. But however much I know of Vipin from day one till date, the way he has evolved from there to here. He was my gold client as well. And I see that keenness in him. I could see that spark in him of learning things. And he
Right.
had many questions to ask every time. And in fact, one day I gave him the surety that Vipin, the more you ask, the more you learn. So he said, "Ma'am, मैं बहुत question पूछता हूँ." I said, "Just go on." Because the more keen a person is, the more seeking the person is, the more knowledge you will gain and you will
Yes.
really go long, far away. So I think Vipin is one student who has been on it from day one. I don't think he's ever slept without thinking and talking of go nature and naturopathy. I think he eats, sleeps, drinks naturopathy, and lives by go nature. So Vipin, I'm really, really happy to see you evolving from there to here. And I really hope to, I'm sure you are already earning so much out of whatever small number of clients you have. But there's a long, long, long way to go ahead. And you will do absolutely great. And it was really great knowing you. And I'm sure you will do very, very well in life.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you so much for being associated with Go Nature. And
My pleasure, man. My pleasure.
Amazing. What a beautiful, place to be here with both of you. So I'm just getting goosebumps, right? So amazing. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you so much, Vipin. And this is, as Jyoti correctly said, this is just the beginning. The world is suffering, and people have to come forward. Who heal people without supplements, medicine, surgery. They tell them this is the path you have to walk. And yes, the world needs healers like you. And I wish you more success. I wish you more students. I wish the world, the entire world should know, Vipin Malhotra.
the
Yes, sir,
Nation of
surely. Thank you.
God, I think the title of this entire group, the Nation of Nutrition, is so apt. We really want a nation full of nutritionists who can really, really spread the word of naturopathy all around the world. So I
Yes.
think it's really amazing. Yeah.
Amazing.
Thank
So
you.
thank you so much, both of you. Thank you so much, those who are viewing
Thank you,
us.
sir.
So
Thank you.
thank you so much. We will be waiting all the students who are watching us to come and join Diamond membership so that we can heal the world together. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much, everyone. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us. I know you have seen him in the Hall of Fame interview. His name is Vipin Malhotra, and Vipin is also our Diamond member. And to be very honest, Vipin has no background of nutrition sciences, and today he's a nutritionist, and he has taken the Diamond membership. The Diamond membership has three parts, right? I would say four parts if coaches training is involved, and we have just completed two parts. So let's ask Vipin how has been his experience in the Diamond membership. So over to you, Vipin. How has been your experience?
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं तो मेरे ख्याल से मेरे को शब्द नहीं मिल पाएंगे अगर मैं इसको डिफाइन करूं या एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं, बिकॉज जैसे आपने कहा, ऑफ कोर्स मेरा न्यूट्रिशन में कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, ठीक है, बट मुझे यही होता था जब मैं अपने आसपास दिखता था, अपनी फैमिली में पेरेंट्स को, आसपास लोगों को, कि लोग मेडिसिन पे आ रहे हैं, दवाइयों पे आ रहे हैं। और मेरे को भी आज से तकरीबन 13 साल पहले एक डायबिटिक घोषित कर दिया गया था, है ना। तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं एलोपैथी भी नहीं गया, आयुर्वेदा में गया, होम्योपैथी में गया, आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग मेडिसिन। बट जब आपसे मुलाकात हुई, आपके सेशन अटेंड करना शुरू किए, तो आई वाज शॉक्ड एंड सरप्राइज एंड ओवरवेल्म्ड कि आई वाज नेवर अ डायबिटिक पेशेंट। जिससे रियलाइज हुआ कि मेरे ख्याल से हमारे इस देश में मैक्सिमम लोग डायबिटिक पेशेंट होते ही नहीं, इनको बना दिया गया था जिस सिस्टम में आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ अंधेरा रोशनी नहीं पड़ रही है, बिकॉज हम जैसे लोगों के। तो दूसरी चीज, मैं शुरू से ये मानता था कि पहला सुख निरोगी काया। हम पैसा कमा रहे हैं, जिंदगी चलती जा रही है, स्लिप होते जा रही है, बट कहीं ना कहीं हमारी हेल्थ भी डाउनग्रेड हो रही है। अब हम सारी उम्र पैसा कमाते हैं, अंत में आके वही पैसा दवाइयों पे, हॉस्पिटल पे खर्च करना शुरू कर देते हैं।
राइट।
तो थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल भी हूँ मैं ये मानता हूँ कि भगवान ने हमें जो ये अवतार दिया है ह्यूमंस का, मानव का, वो खुश रहने के लिए दिया है, ठीक है।
राइट।
लेकिन हम उस खुशी से दूर भागते जा रहे हैं अपनी अज्ञानता की वजह से। तो आपके थ्रू हमें वो पहली बात तो ज्ञान भी मिला, ठीक है, इस सेंस में जो बहुत जरूरी था। और थैंक गॉड फॉर दिस कि वो जरिए बनाता है। कहते हैं जब आपकी नीयत होती है ना, जब मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं यूनिवर्स को, तो कहीं ना कहीं रास्ते बनते हैं। तो वो रास्ता आपकी तरफ लेके आया। सो माई जर्नी हैज बीन ग्रेट। जैसे जैसे इसमें जाता जा रहा हूँ, अब तो मैं 100% ऊपर पहुंच गया हूँ कि यही मेरा अब लाइफ है, करियर है, फ्यूचर है, और ये शायद यही मेरा कर्म था जो ईश्वर ने मुझे दिया। कि दुनिया में वो लोग बहुत बीमार हैं, होते जा रहे हैं, अब तुम लोग आगे आओ, ठीक है, एक मानवता कमाओ, एक अच्छा कर्म कमाओ, लोगों को गाइड करो। जिसकी किस्मत में होगा या जिसकी इंटेंशन में होगा, वो आपसे जुड़ जाएगा। और ऐसा ही होता है, ठीक है। लेकिन हमारा एक फर्ज बन गया है, और उसके लिए एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए था जहां हमें बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट और ट्रांसपेरेंस ट्रेनिंग और मार्गदर्शन मिले। वो सर गो नेचर से बढ़िया मैंने आसपास बहुत देखा, बहुत सर्च भी करता रहता हूँ, मुझे आज तक गो नेचर के साथ का कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दिखा आज की डेट में, ठीक है। कि गो नेचर बिल्कुल ही ईमानदार तरीके से, पारदर्शिता से काम कर रहा है। और आप इतनी ज्यादा गाइडेंस आप लेते इतना है, लेकिन गाइडेंस इतनी ज्यादा दे देते हैं। सो मुझे लगता है कई बार हम अंडरपेड भी हैं, आप अंडरपेड भी हो कई बार, बिकॉज इतना ज्यादा आप ज्ञान दे रहे हैं जो एक्चुअल में चाहिए हमें भी। तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और गोइंग फॉरवर्ड मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि मैं एक जरिया बनने वाला हूँ आपके थ्रू, कि मानवता तक पहुंचे जाए, उनको इस दर्द से, जंजाल से बाहर लेके आया जाए।
सो अमेजिंग, थैंक यू सो मच विपिन। विपिन, लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक, लोगों को लगता है कि मैं, देयर सो मेनी विमेन को लगता है कि मुझे इस फील्ड में आना है, बट मैं कैसे डाइट बना पाऊंगी, सो वो सब चैलेंजेस। तो इस ट्रेनिंग में सर, इस ट्रेनिंग में आपको वो क्लैरिटी मिली हाउ टू मेक अ डाइट प्लान एंड हाउ टू टेक पेशेंट्स हु हैव डिफिकल्ट डिजीज, मतलब कोई दवाइयाँ खा रहे इतनी सारे वो लोग। सो उस पे इफ यू कैन पुट अ लिटिल लाइट ऑन दैट पार्ट,
यस सर,
हाउ द
बिल्कुल।
थिंग्स, हाउ द सिस्टमैटिकली थिंग्स वर मेड इजी फॉर यू।
सर बहुत अच्छी बात की। जैसे मैंने कहा कि जब एक इंसान दुनिया में आता है ना, तो 9 महीने माँ के गर्भ में रहता है, ठीक है। तो ही कम्स फ्रॉम नोवेयर एंड नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ स्मॉल सीड। उस सीड से वो इतना विशाल का 6 फुट का, 5 फुट का इंसान बन जाता है, ठीक है। बिकॉज द इंटेंशन ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड मदर इज कि ये हमें चाहिए। तो क्या होता है, दूसरा मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा कि जब हम अंधेरे में चलते हैं, जैसे मैं नॉन न्यूट्रिशन बैकग्राउंड से, और भी लोग ऐसे जैसे कहा कई बार सोचते हैं कि मेरा बैकग्राउंड तो है नहीं, मैं कैसे आगे जाऊंगी या जाऊंगा। तो साइंस ये कहती है कि जब आप अंधेरे में जा रहे हैं ना, आपकी गाड़ी की हेडलाइट्स ऑन है, सिर्फ वहां तक चलो जहां तक कुछ नहीं रोशनी दिखाई दे रही है। वहां जब पहुंचोगे, आगे का रास्ता आपको ऑटोमेटिकली दिखाई दे जाएगा। अब जब मैं इसमें आया था तो मुझे डाइट्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं मालूम था, कैसे डिजाइनिंग होती है, कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, कैसे लोगों को। बट अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आना शुरू हो गया है। और एक टाइम बाद कॉन्फिडेंस ये आएगा कि जितना मर्जी बीमार इंसान आ जाए, मैं हैंडल कर लूंगा। इंस्पाइट कि मेरा ऐसा कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, कोई डिग्री नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था। इंटेंशन, इंटेंशन कंबाइंड विद द राइट कोचिंग एंड गाइडेंस फ्रॉम गो नेचर, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज मैटर करती है। आपको क्या कैसा मार्गदर्शन दिया जा रहा है, ऊपर से हमारे इतने वंडरफुल कोचेज हैं, इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड है। तो जब अगर आपकी इंटेंशन क्लियर है ना, तो सब सर रास्ते मिल जाते हैं, इसमें सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
अमेजिंग। सो मेरे मेंटर भी ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि योर वाइब्स अट्रैक्ट द ट्राइब्स। अभी जैसे रापोल को भी मैं, रापोल के साथ मैंने हॉल ऑफ फेम किया था, उस ही आल्सो हैड नो न्यूट्रिशन बैकग्राउंड, मेरा भी देयर वाज नो न्यूट्रिशन बैकग्राउंड।
जी जी।
हम लोग फिर मैदान में कूदे, ये कोर्स किया, वो कोर्स किया, अब आप लोगों को मैं वो कोर्सेज करवा रहा हूँ। सो आई थिंक ये एक बहुत बड़ा एक यूनिवर्सिटी बनती जा रही है अपने आप में, ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड विद न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, न्यूट्रिशन अलग अलग फील्ड में। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी विपिन दैट यू आर टेकिंग इट सो सीरियसली, and you're one of the student who is like, I tell this to do this and it is done, because in the back end I keep observing. So more power to you, and you are doing an amazing
थैंक यू सर।
amazing amazing। बहुत लंबा जाना है अभी आपको, बहुत लंबा जाना है।
बिल्कुल सर।
पीपल, आप मतलब आप समझो, इतने डिजीजेस बढ़ चुके हैं that people are fed up of eating medicines, and people like you have to come forward and help them,
आई एम देयर
right?
सर, विद योर गाइडेंस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम देयर। आप जो बोलोगे, आप बोलोगे सर्दी के मौसम में 4 घंटे ठंड में खड़ा हो जाए, मैं खड़ा हो जाऊंगा सर, द बेनिफिट ऑफ ऑल।
Thank you so much, Vipin. Thank you so much,
थैंक
and
यू
more
सो मच।
power to you. And this is not कि diamond खत्म, हमारा relationship खत्म. It's like a long, lifelong journey with you.
जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग सर।
Yes.
एंड आई कैन सी
Thank you
सर
so much.
गो नेचर यूनिवर्सिटी कमिंग अप इन द इयर्स। डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली
आप लोग के आशीर्वाद से बिल्कुल वो मिल जाएगा.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल होगा, हम करेंगे सर.
Thank you so much. So everybody,
Thank you,
this
sir.
is Vipin, and take energies from him, take motivation for him. And Vipin, despite of having no nutrition background, took the challenge and he's going to help the world, right? And we'll soon take an interview of Vipin in which he had made X number of amount and helped X number of people to come out of their diseases, right? That would be the biggest Hall of Fame interview, right, Vipin?
Right,
Thank you.
sir. Sure, sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.